And there it is, how to whip up your jerk marinade using dry jerk rub, real quick and easy. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
The first thing I want to use is 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, because we're going to be making up a quick jerk marinade, right? I have a video out on how to make your jerk marinade from scratch, but this is a speed up version. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. I also have a video out on green seasoning. Half of a lemon or lime, some freshly squeezed lime juice. Gonna be going in with a little bit of scotch bonnet. You can use this in your blender if you have that. So I'm gonna chop up some scotch bonnet pepper here, just to add a little bit of flavor to this. There we go, scotch bonnet peppers. Gonna add that, or you can go in with the amount to your spice tolerance, right? Gonna go in with some oil, about 2 tablespoons. In the green seasoning, I have scotch bonnet pepper, onion, garlic, scallion, all of those good stuff, right? But this is the quicker version how you can achieve your jerk marinade at home. But I just add a little bit of pepper in here just to bring up the spiciness, as well as the lime juice just to give it a little bit of freshness, right? Store-bought jerk seasoning, so you can buy your dry jerk rub, and I'm gonna add about 2.5 tablespoons of that jerk rub in here. Nice. I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Last but not least, a touch of browning sauce. You call this caramel or burnt sugar, and this is about a half teaspoon. And this will give us color. So we're just gonna mix all of that together. As I said, you can blend this out in a blender if you want to, but I'm just gonna be doing it right here. And there it is, how to whip up your jerk marinade using dry jerk rub, real quick and easy. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jono, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.